What's up? I'm proving, and I'm a dead man walking, Christ-led talking, spirit ran marching. I hear them haters barking, but they can't move me. Ministry is 2G, and we too deep, and it's the end of the movie. So I die like Romans 6 to Romans 8, sins in a grave that it can never escape. Wait, there's more. Those worldly rappers so ape. So I guess this is a Zookeeper mixtape, boy. Maybe by the end, you'll see that you have to die to save your life. Like, gon' give it a try and kill you. And all the sin that's blocking you from becoming a Jesus-filled zombie, boy. My tombstone's in place. You see the name Brown on top of my grave. But it's all good. There's no reason for me to sit down. Jesus rose, so your voice still alive is all get out. Awake, oh sleeper, shake up the dreamer. We trying to give them coffee and they trying to add some creamer. The sugar-coated gospel, I'd rather die than preach it. The streets are bleeding, and that's why the streets need it. We like to get clean, but not wash any feet. The pew warmers only want God once a week, not me. It's for my team, we died to the oldest, showing them the way to heaven. Hop up in our tour bus, but it's Christ, bruh. Best believe it ain't soul-seekers, and it's the God inside us to make them demons tremble. If we talk with the Spirit, let us walk with it. The Spirit, I'll get caught with it. Seek and pray, shock with it, heart with it. There's a God that can give you everything, and he'll keep you from being hungry like a chicken wing diet. Like, boy, you should try it. Yeah, I guarantee that you'll like it, Facebook. But as for me, just know that I died with Christ. Galatians 5:24, gonna read it twice. Then you'll see I died so he can live through me. I'm cycling disciples like gone hula hoop he. Truthfully, I put my life on the line because I read I had to in Matthew 10:39. They blind, so we bring them to the eye doctor. If the streets go hard, best believe we go harder. Martyr, I die daily to what I think I need. I'm possessed with the Holy Spirit, bro. It controls me. My actions are reported. Read James 2:18. I see the sin inside me. Make sure it's vacating. Leave. Man, it's a calling for some dead people who will give God their life so they can be a living temple. Man, I said it's a calling for some dead people who will let their whole life be a living temple. And me, I'm a dead man walking, boy.